we slide, his head on B. When I slide, get the E for me.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap, being flex OD, sex OD.
But it's not called the kitchen. Oh, okay.
Hey. You got it, girl. You got it. Pretty little thing, you got it banging, now you calling. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Louis Pepper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin, yeah. No 9 to 5, put your work in, yeah. Cars and dawn, love 'em all to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it.
Guys, I'm on my way to go to a rodeo. I'm going to a cowboy bar and I'm running late. And I feel like as a mom of 3, I feel like I'm always running late. And I guess I am a late person, but I don't try to be late, if that makes sense. Like, things just be happening, you know? But right now, I just put my lotion on and stuff like that. I gotta put my shimmer on and stuff. I'm using the Fenty Butter Drop. Smells so good. Well, this is the cinnamon one that they dropped for the holiday. Well, it's holiday time, so why not, right? So this is gonna be my outfit. Those are my accessories. These are my shorts, my bandana to put on my head. Let's see how this comes together.
I'm so excited. There's nobody here, goddamn. What up? None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Anyone who's 3 rules for turn it to the board. Okay, y'all see us. We cute. She got drinks on her hand. I'm finished. I'm waiting for her to finish. The cowboy boots. Yeah. Talk about it. These boots are made for walking. Oh my god. It was the wrong moment, wrong time. But anyways, we're leaving from Duffy's. We came to come grab some food, some drinks.
We went with the Cowboys or whatever.
Period. We actually came from a destination that y'all will actually see, but yeah, we're about to just go to the studio now and go chill and I don't know, chill. But yeah, and my thing is all coming out. I like how my outfit came out though.
Nice to see you. Thank you. Okay, come on.
You ready?
Ass so fat, I need a lap dance.
It's because you want me to...
Turn around.
No, earlier...
Dial down.
Earlier, no, when we was doing it, it definitely was giving like...
Hold on. That's just not my problem.
So bad. Just like a little montage, go down, and then I walk away type shit, turn around, woo, 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 woo. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I ain't never seen the ass like that.
Period. Oh. I'm out. I just got back from Publix, right? And when I went to Publix, I went to go get me some poppies. I'm out. How about when I get there, I'm gonna insert the clip of what I seen, but when I get there, they had every single flavor that they just dropped that was new. The cream soda, the wild berry, and the wild cherry. So excited to try these flavors. Can't wait. The one I'm most excited about is the wild berry and the cherry cola. Mainly this one. This one's second and this one's third. I really don't care for orange soda. It's just the cream, the orange cream. It just depends. It could give like a dreamsicle. That's what I'm expecting it to give. But I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all and let y'all see how these taste. I also have to reorganize all the kids' snacks. I have more snacks, I believe. I need to put them in the containers that I have. And yeah, let me show y'all what I got for my healthy. Let me show y'all what I got for my healthy snacks. This is my mom one. Nobody touches this. This is mine. I bought some. If y'all know some healthy snacks, please comment them down below. I'm open to them. I've been wanting to get into some jerky, like but more protein. So I wanted to get like some sausage jerky sticks. They look really good. They look promising. I'm hoping to be good. And then I've always wanted to try these cookies right here. They also have these right here. And they had them on sale for buy one get one, so I felt like it was the perfect time to buy them. So those are my snacks that I bought for myself. And yeah, I'm about to eat me some pizza, and then I'm supposed to be cooking some pasta later. Some salmon pasta. Yeah. Get it cold. am at the Kimchi Mart, okay, and I want to make some ramen. I'm not gonna make it today, and I'm not gonna buy anything today. I actually just came to check out this store because I've checked out 2 Asian markets, and this one has to be the biggest one that I've seen, and I think they supply the meat. So let's check it out. This is what I was looking for right here. Shibu. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't getting nothing, but I did. They had some men in there making sushi, and they had some spicy tuna roll crunchy tuna rolls. I grabbed that, and I grabbed this drink. I've been seeing this. I hope you guys can see me, right? Yeah. I bought the infamous cup of ice. It's literally a cup of ice, 99 cents, $1.99. And I bought this watermelon aid drink. I hope it tastes good. Let's try this out. What's up, guys? I just came from the Kimchi Asian Mart, and I got the ice cup, which was $1.99, and I got watermelon aid juice. Okay, we're about to make this together. I'm hoping it's gonna be good. I open the pouch and then I pour it inside, and that's it. So I got the pouch open. It smells so good. It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. Yes. That smells good. I hope it's as good as it smells. Put the top on it. Cheers. You guys can get the first sip. I'll put the top on. Oh my gosh. That has to be like one of the best watermelon juices I've ever had. So good. It tastes like literally pure candy and watermelon. I don't know how to put candy, watermelon. That's it. That's all I can say. Best watermelon juice I've probably ever tasted, to be honest. Go get you some. And this is my spicy tuna roll. I'm gonna open her up. I didn't get no chopsticks. I don't know what I was thinking about, but I do have some soy sauce right here. I think that's soy sauce, and yeah, and wasabi, but I'm not using that. Let's do a taste test. I pray I don't get sick from eating this. That's just it. How about that? Very good flavor, and I would say it tastes better than Publix. Honest opinion. But I'm not gonna eat all this. Probably gonna eat like 3, maybe 4, and then save the rest.
Precious her gift. I put it in here and I put it in another bag, tied it up, make it like it's a basic, try to make it look like it's a basic gift, but she gonna like it.
Okay. What's up, guys? This is Precious, and my birthday was 9/11, Virgo Queen, and Janelle's here to give me my gift. So, what did she give me? I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Let's see the review!
Well, let me, hold on. I hope I did not.
Your house. I be forgetting about
I
that
be forgetting.
shit. Even when I'm unboxing and stuff, you gotta put, like, cover your address. Oh my god.
Look on the other side.
What is this? You got the perfume sampler.
Now you can go get you a full-size bottle too.
Yes, I wanted this. You remember?
I didn't know you wanted that.
Yes.
Nah,
remember, I was like, you told me about it, and I never went and go get it. But remember, I was telling you I tried a whole bunch of perfumes off of Amazon, the little small ones.
Yeah.
This is so cute.
You're welcome, friend.
Aww. Let me show you guys like before we go. Hold on. It's like perfume and shit. I love it, friend.
You're welcome. And you can reuse the bag.
Yeah, that's what, girl. I'm gonna do that, girl.
Yeah. It's cute.
Let me open it. Let's see. Open it, and it's pink, and I love it.
Oh, why they did it like that?
like
They never
it.
used to do that. It used
What
to
do you
be, well, I got a men's one. I never seen a woman's one, but they would usually do it. They'll have only the samples and not like that. I don't know how to explain it, but
It
yeah.
has a gum, not perfume. This is gum.
That's gum? That what it say, gum?
Juliet has a gum, not
A
perfume.
gun, not perfume.
What the hell? Why is that gum? I'm like, what?
What is that?
This is a perfume.
It is a perfume.
Yeah.
It's just called Juliet.
Juliet has a gun.
Wow, okay.
What does it smell like? I don't know. Ooh, it smells good.
Ooh, that does
Yeah.
smell good. It smells clean.
Yeah.
I like
Oh
that.
my god, I'm gonna find something, a lot of things that I like around this.
Yes, that's the good thing. You're gonna be like, okay, I know what I want next.
I know I'm gonna like this.
Girl, I smelled that
I'm
one in the store. I
saving
started
it.
to scratch you. I smelled that in the
Yes.
store. It smells.
I am highly satisfied with this gift. She literally knows me because I said I wanted this and I never went and got it. So she got it for me for my birthday. And I'll like say thank you.
You're welcome.
I need to know. Thank you.
You welcome, friend. Period.
Period. I love it.